Hello guys, welcome to Techno-Tech YouTube channel. In this video we'll show you how to do the drum refresh on Kyocera 3010i photocopier. Drum refresh, also known as drum cleaning or drum conditioning, is a crucial process in photocopier. Over time, toner particles can accumulate on the drum surface, affecting print quality. Refreshing the drum involves removing residual toner and other contaminants to maintain optimal printing performance. This process helps prevent ghosting, streaks, or blurred prints, ensuring that the drum can continue to transfer toner effectively for high-quality print. Regular drum refreshment contributes to the longevity of the printer and helps maintain consistent output. Thanks for watching. If you learn anything in this video, please give a like and subscribe for more videos. If you have any questions, just pin a comment.